Evolution, the new variety with quality. The three model types, table, rollers, and belts, make up the Evolution series, which offers new standards and safety features, and competitive entry into the field of fully automatic strapping machines. One machine, suitable across all industries. Utmost user-friendly by the infinitely pivoting operation panel, operable from three sides. Visualization of the functional status by color-coded display in the operation panel. For the first time, the newly developed Standard 6 strap path unifies both ultrasonic and heat weld sealing technology on the same base unit. By simple removal of machine components, strap path components can be easily disassembled without tools. In all machine models, optimized conveying systems guarantee a good accessibility to all important machine components. The technology in all Evolution models is identical due to its modular design. User-friendly strap coil change. Depending on the application, the strap coil can be changed from the front or from the side. The automatic strap threading system allows an uncomplicated and quick strap coil change. Reliable, fast, and functional. The table version of the Evolution. Easy to operate thanks to an additional foot pedal and a pivoting operation panel that are particularly useful to exploit the full capacity of 58 cycles per minute. A standard feature is the selectable soft strapping function for sensitive packages. For heavy loads, the Evolution series offers a fully automatic roller model that can be integrated into production lines. The highest performance of the fully automatic models is up to 35 packages per minute. A machine-friendly performance is guaranteed by a selectable economy mode. Safe work is a given by an easily accessible emergency stop button or emergency stop chain. The Evolution SoniX MP6B. The ideal entry-level model with conveying belts for the fully automatic range can be used in various fields, such as pharmaceuticals, logistics, or mail order businesses. The Evolution is waiting for you.